Now, it's important to make note of the information, and when you're constructing a triangle in particular, where they give you two line segments and an angle, you need to know how to construct these line segments such that this angle can be easily formed using these line segments as the arms of the angle. When we look at this particular question, the question states that AB is 9 centimeters, angle ABC is 90 degrees, and BC is 6 centimeters. We need to know how we interpret this bit so that we make the most of the information provided to us. Angle ABC. Notice that the angle here is stated using vertex notation. So using the vertex notation, we need to know that the angle is formed at the vertex at the center of this notation. Since they told us angle ABC, this means that the angle is going to be formed at vertex B. Notice the line segments information that we're given. We're given the line segment AB, which is 9 centimeters, as well as the line segment BC, which is 6 centimeters. For this reason, we are going to construct the angle using the intersection of the lines AB and BC. To start this particular problem, we're going to start off by constructing our line segment AB, which is a 9 centimeter line segment. Now, when they say to construct a line segment, they are not speaking about simply taking a ruler and drawing a straight line.